Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnaut24K on Twitter. Today I'll be unboxing the SkyRoam Solis X Wi-Fi Smart Hotspot, and it's global Wi-Fi as you can see. It's also a remote camera, power bank, and a smart assistant. I went and visited SkyRoam in San Francisco a couple months ago, and they showed me this, and I'm finally able to test it out in real life conditions as I'll be going on a trip very soon. So over here on the right is the hotspot itself. This is the power button. We'll go ahead and turn it on, and it'll boot up while we're talking about what's in the rest of the box. The hotspot itself, once you turn it on, vibrates a little bit, and once it gets going, you'll see these lights start to blink here. As you can see, this is going up and down, and that is in a boot process. There is a smart camera here on the front. It has a flash as well, and a microphone. So you have some badging there. Now this is also an internal battery, and this has almost 5,000 milliamps. So it has a pleasing boot sound. There's some details here on the bottom. As you can see, it's the SkyRoam Solis X right there. And everything's included, and it's continuing to boot up. Right there you can see that the Wi-Fi is turned on, and it's trying to acquire cellular signal. And once you start transferring data, the light in the middle will start blinking. They have daily plans, they have monthly plans, and they have unlimited plans. So it just depends on how much data you need. Now inside the welcome box, there's a kit right here, some documentation, how this works. There's also an accompanying app that you'll need to download for your phone to set up an account and to buy your different services that you need. Here is the USB Type-C. We're happy to see that they've gone with that for charging, and a USB Type-A power cord. There's no power adapter in here, but it will work with almost any power adapter that you have with a USB Type-A. Now this cord is interesting because this allows for power to come out of the device to this, so you can use to plug in a different phone or a different device altogether. And then this is the SkyRoam Solis X. I'll be trying this out internationally shortly, and we'll see how it works. This is Chris Roshnaut24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.